Moodle is the University of Plymouth's main digital learning and teaching platform. It is one of the tools that make up the digital learning environment, often referred to as the DLE. To access Moodle, go to the University of Plymouth's website, plymouth.ac.uk, and use the login option. Log in as student and put in your university email address, followed by your password. This will take you to your student portal. From here, click on the DLE, and this will now open up Moodle. The default landing page will be your dashboard. The dashboard has several sections. Your timeline, which is made up of upcoming assessments. These are any activity with a deadline, such as an upcoming online submission or quiz. The course overview will show you all of your Moodle courses available to you. This includes past courses, those in progress, and future courses. You can change the filter option here, and this will change the view of the dashboard so that you can view just courses in this academic year. Also, you can click on the three dots and star courses. With the filter option, you can create a personalized view of just the courses that you have starred. If a course you are expecting to be enrolled on isn't visible here, please check the filter. If it's still not visible, you'll need to speak to your faculty office to check if you're enrolled on the course. On the right hand side, you'll see a series of blocks. These are placed in the right hand drawer. This drawer can be closed by clicking on the cross and reopened by clicking on the arrow. You'll see the PSMD block if you're part of the Schools of Medicine and Dentistry. Down below is a calendar, and within this calendar it will show events highlighted within your timeline by having a blue dot. You can also view the full calendar by clicking on the full calendar underneath. From here, it will give you an overview of what's happening. Also, by clicking on the filter, you can see any upcoming events. To return to the dashboard, click either the University of Plymouth logo or Dashboard. This will take you back to your main dashboard. The top bar within the DLE links to additional resources. This includes Tools and Resources. The Library tab, the Student Information tab, has links to services such as the Student Hub and Student Wellbeing Information. In the Help section, there's an area for students, which provides information on the DLE. The PSMD block will only be available if you're part of the Schools of Medicine and Dentistry, and will link to resources and activities within the medical and dental fields. On the far right hand side, by clicking on your profile icon or your initials, will provide a link to your email, your timetables, whether your regular or exam timetable, a link to your OneDrive, and also a link to your transcription of results. The layout of your Moodle course may differ between modules. The format you can see here is topics. This allows you to open and close individual sections, or you can expand all or collapse all. Another frequently used format is the grid layout. The grid layout is similar to the topic, with each topic being represented by a picture in a grid. The left-hand drawer provides a course index, which allows you to navigate quickly to particular sections of the course. However, the main course content will always be in the center section, regardless of the layout. On the right-hand drawer, there'll be a number of blocks, some of which are on all Moodle sites and some have been added by your tutor. The module information block is positioned in the same place on all module courses. It provides key information about your module. Some of the information shown in this block can also be found on the module guides or handbooks. Any electronic reading lists for your module will be available via the reading list block. The Panopto block will be visible if your tutor is using the content capture system to record lectures for you to access. Panopto recordings can also be visible in the main body as a resource. The PSMD block is the same as on the dashboard, and as mentioned before, you will only see this navigation block if you're a student in the schools of medicine and dentistry. There are additional blocks that may be visible depending on what your tutor has added. The centre section is where you'll find resources and activities. These include announcements from your tutors. Your tutors can use this to send out messages to all students on the module, and you will receive an email notification when any of these messages have been sent. You can also look back at any previous messages sent from the announcements link. You'll find module resources throughout your Moodle courses, which you'll be able to view and download. Frequently used resources include PDFs, Word documents, PowerPoints, URLs, folders, and media content. You'll see media content such as videos and images embedded within the page, as well as content available to access through web links. All of the course sites aim to be as inclusive as possible and work with accessibility software, including screen readers. Additionally, some resources will have an A beside them, which allow you to download alternative formats. This will include formats for e-readers, electronic braille, and also audio. In addition to resources, your tutor may provide activities for you to complete for your Moodle course, such as online submission, forum discussions, quizzes, checklists, and feedback tasks. Assessments. Assessments are displayed on your dashboard in your timeline. This will show you anything pending. You can click on the assignment and it will take you directly into the submission window. Alternatively, from the dashboard you can find the course. And click into the topic. And click into the assessment that way. Program courses. Moodle program courses are very similar in structure to module courses, but they show program level information. Students in all stages of your program will have access to this program Moodle course. A key difference to program courses is the program information block. This will tell you who the program leader is, and also an overview and links to all the modules that make up the program at different stages.